Have you ever struggled to pack a suitcase only to realize nothing fits and everything feels heavy and messy? Many travelers believe packing is simple, but it is actually a skill that requires planning and strategy. Today you will discover how to pack a suitcase like a pro so everything fits perfectly. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical travel tips and packing secrets. 10. Choose the right suitcase for your trip. The first step to packing efficiently is selecting a suitcase that suits your journey. Size, weight, and compartments are essential factors to consider for optimal packing. A sturdy carry-on works for short trips, while larger checked luggage suits longer stays. Lightweight materials reduce overall weight, allowing more room for essentials inside. Compartments and internal dividers help organize items without them shifting during transit. Expandable options give flexibility if you acquire souvenirs or extra items while traveling. Wheels and handles make mobility easier and reduce fatigue when navigating airports. 9. Make a list of everything you need. Before you touch your suitcase, creating a detailed packing list is essential. Writing down clothing, toiletries, gadgets, and accessories ensures you do not forget anything. Separate items by category so you can visualize space requirements for each group. Prioritize essentials that you cannot buy or replace at your destination easily. Checking weather and planned activities helps you pack appropriate clothing and gear. Lists reduce the tendency to overpack unnecessary items that take up valuable space. Cross off items as you pack to stay organized and avoid duplication. Digital notes or apps can help track items efficiently and share with travel companions. 8. Roll clothes instead of folding. Rolling clothes tightly instead of folding saves significant space in your suitcase. It also reduces wrinkles, keeping garments neat and ready to wear on arrival. Roll items by fabric type, placing heavier items at the bottom of the bag. Smaller garments like t-shirts and underwear can be tightly rolled into compact bundles. Use packing cubes to keep rolled clothes organized in separate different categories. Rolling allows more flexibility when fitting items around shoes, toiletries, and gadgets. It also creates small gaps that can be filled with accessories or belts. Rolling minimizes wasted space and ensures your suitcase is packed efficiently. 7. Use packing cubes and compression bags. Packing cubes are essential tools for organizing your suitcase like a pro. They allow you to separate clothes, shoes, and accessories into neat compartments. Compression bags reduce bulk, especially for bulky jackets, sweaters, or blankets. You can quickly find items without unpacking your entire suitcase. Color coding cubes helps identify categories at a glance and prevents confusion. Compression bags use air removal to save space, leaving room for additional items. These tools protect clothing from spills, wrinkles, and shifting during transit. Packing cubes make security checks easier because you can remove a single cube if needed. 6. Strategically place shoes and heavy items. Shoes and heavier items should go at the bottom near the wheels for stability. This keeps your suitcase balanced and prevents it from tipping over while rolling. Use shoe bags to protect clothes from dirt, dust, or odors. Fill shoes with socks, chargers, or small items to utilize every inch of space. Bulky jackets and toiletries should also be placed near heavier items for even distribution. Layer lighter clothing on top to prevent compression damage or wrinkling. Placing items strategically creates a stable foundation and maximizes suitcase capacity. Careful placement allows more flexibility for last-minute additions before departure. 5. Keep toiletries compact and leak-free. Toiletries often take up significant space, so packing smart is essential. Use small travel-sized bottles for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. Place liquids in clear Ziploc bags to avoid leaks that can ruin clothes. Solid toiletries like soap, toothpaste tablets, or deodorant sticks save both space and weight. Pack a minimal number of products and buy items at your destination if needed. Organize toiletries in a separate compartment or bag for easy access during security checks. Including only essential items prevents overpacking and streamlines your morning routine. Check airline regulations to ensure all liquids meet the required limits. 4. Roll accessories and use gaps wisely. Belts, scarves, ties, and jewelry should be rolled or placed in small pouches. Utilize gaps between rolled clothes to fit these smaller items efficiently. Sunglasses and electronics should be padded and placed in secure compartments. Even chargers, cables, and adapters can be rolled and tucked into corners. Organizing accessories prevents them from getting tangled, lost, or damaged. Using every available gap maximizes suitcase capacity without overstuffing. Keeping items in dedicated pouches ensures quick access and easy retrieval. Layering small items around bulkier items creates a compact, well-organized interior. 3. Wear the bulkiest items during travel. Coats, boots, and heavy sweaters take up a lot of space in a suitcase. Wearing these items while traveling saves valuable packing room inside the bag. Layering clothing helps adapt to changing temperatures and minimizes suitcase bulk. Bulky shoes can also be worn instead of packed, saving space for essentials. Outerwear worn during flights or transit reduces stress on zippers and luggage weight limits. Travelers can pack lighter and still stay comfortable during long journeys. This method creates flexibility when packing for multiple climates or seasons. Wearing heavy items leaves more room for souvenirs or last-minute purchases. 2. Keep important items accessible. Travel documents, passports, tickets, and electronics should always be easy to reach. Use a dedicated compartment, front pocket, or travel organizer for quick access. Important items include medications, chargers, travel insurance papers, and cash. Being able to grab essentials prevents stress during airport security or check-ins. Organize documents in a slim folder or pouch to reduce clutter. Having quick access also helps in case of emergencies or sudden changes. Avoid burying important items deep inside the suitcase where retrieval takes time. Accessibility improves confidence and reduces anxiety during transit. Properly organizing must-have items is a key principle of professional packing. Accessible items ensure smoother travel and peace of mind during the journey. 1. Check and repack before leaving. Before leaving for your trip, double-check all items and their placement. Verify that essentials, clothing, toiletries, and electronics are packed correctly. Make sure liquids are secure and all compartments are zipped properly. Remove unnecessary items to reduce weight and create space for extras. Adjust packing cubes or compression bags for optimal space utilization. Review travel documents, tickets, and identification to ensure nothing is missing. Repacking helps identify forgotten items before departure and prevents last-minute panic. A final check ensures suitcase is balanced, organized, and ready to travel. Professional travelers always take a moment to inspect luggage before leaving. Checking and repacking guarantees a smooth start and maximizes every inch of suitcase space. Packing a suitcase like a pro does not require magic, only strategy and planning. Using these techniques saves space, keeps items organized, and reduces stress during travel. Every trip becomes easier and more enjoyable when luggage is packed efficiently. Practice these skills on every journey to build confidence and master the art of packing. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel hacks, tips, and professional packing strategies.